Uesugi hand trucks. The unique Castor design means they roll easily even when heavily loaded, and our painstakingly developed manufacturing techniques give them outstanding durability. Soft rubber bumpers are fitted around the sides for enhanced safety, and protectors prevent objects becoming trapped in the mechanism. These yellow protectors are the symbol of Uesugi, and as such are highly regarded by people around the world. Our wide-ranging product lineup brings you the type of hand truck you are looking for. Uesugi Transporting Machinery Manufacturing makes products that are widely used wherever goods need to be moved, including hand trucks, rollbox pallet, and slim carts. Since Uesugi's establishment in 1947, one idea has always been central to our product manufacture. That idea is that it takes excellent parts to make excellent products. This is why we have always manufactured all our parts in Japan, here in our own factory. We do everything ourselves, from making pipes to shaping angle bars, manufacturing and assembling Castor components, and creating plastic products from base plates to resin casters. And in addition to manufacturing, we are also committed to ensuring that our products reach our customers around the world as rapidly as possible. By actively installing the latest automated equipment and eliminating inefficiencies at every stage of the production process, we can provide rapid delivery to our global customers from Japan. What has sustained our painstaking spirit of craftsmanship in design and manufacture, called monosukuri in Japanese, has been our determination to continue being able to declare with pride that they are made in Japan, and the achievement of this by the people who work here. A company that does not value its workers can never come up with good technologies or products. Good products are made by good people. This concept lies at the root of all our design and manufacturing. With the aspirations of all the individuals who work here given shape in our products, we will continue to support the work of people throughout the world, making every individual part, continuing production in Japan, and valuing the people who make our products. These are what underlie the spirit of monosukuri that runs through our company and gives rise to Uesugi quality, making work more comfortable for people worldwide.